Well, hello there, YouTube. What is today? September 30th, last day of September. It's finally cooled off here. It's nice. It's only, well, it says 81, but I don't think it is. Well, it might be. It was a high today. So get up in the morning, it's like 51 degrees, which is awesome. So I'm going to go get some gas. I'm going to head up to Farmersville. I'm kind of heading into the sun, but I got a little shade. So I'll turn it back on a little bit later. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. Been doing a little riding in the evenings once it was still warm, but now it's really nice. So, excuse me, I'm off tomorrow. I may go for a ride tomorrow too. Farmersville's not that far away. That's where I'm heading now. Shoot some football. Busy roads though, because all the neighborhoods on here. I've got gas at Buc-ee's, having a hard time getting out of there because there's a football game going on right across the street. I shot them once. I haven't shot them again. They're right by my house, but I don't like to shoot the same school football team more than once. So I travel around. I've Caddo Mills, Greenville. I haven't shot Community yet. I shot Community's volleyball, but they're away, so I'm gonna go up to Farmersville. I'll shoot Community maybe next weekend. Nevada, Texas. Anyway, I don't like to have too long of videos. I don't stick around and watch 20-minute videos. So I'll see you later. Bye.